All right guys, today we're going to show you how to turn this into this. Hi guys, my name is Brian Quaich, and today I'm going to show you how recording sound effects will help improve your videos. All right guys, we're here, we're getting ready to record our sound effects. We're going to be using a boom mic for this. You can use your phone or whatever you have to record. It doesn't matter. We're going to use a boom mic with a dead cat on it. It's this fuzzy thing here. It helps with wind noise when you're outside. So a couple of different sound effects we're going to do here is I'm going to be opening the door. I'm just going to record myself opening the door. That's one of the sound effects, and we'll also do door closing as well. And you can do that all in one take, and you can do it a few different times in the take so you get the perfect sound for you. So here we go. That's one. And we get the door closing as well. And you get all that rattle, and you get the nice girthy and you get all that rattle, and you get a nice girthy slam of the door as well. So you can do that a few times. So do it at different speeds as well. So like I'll do it quieter, quickly, just so you can find one that fits well with your video. All right guys, so another sound effect that you want to get with a car that sounds really nice is getting the exhaust sound when it starts up. You just kind of want to look at your levels here because it can get pretty loud depending on the car. And since this car has two exhausts, I want to aim the mic in between the two so it gets an even sound as well. So I'm going to have my friend go and turn the car on here, and I'll show you how to do it. All right guys, so he's getting in there now. I'm going to hold the boom up about here, and he'll turn the car on. Our music turned on. So you just want to check your levels, make sure they're not peaking too much here. It doesn't look like they did, so I should be good. All right, shut it off, and he's going to turn it on again. All right, turn it back on. All right, shut it off. We're going to turn it back on one more time. So another good sound that you want to get, especially if you're recording outside, is an ambience track. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out and there's birds singing and stuff like that. So I would get about 15 to 30 seconds of just that, nobody talking. It's okay if cars come by in the background because we're on a street and stuff like that. But I would just record for about 15 to 30 seconds to get the birds and everything else. And you can lay that underneath your track as well. All right guys, another good sound effect you can get to help improve your video is footsteps. It's a good natural sound effect. You can either do this walking in place, but if you want it to sound more natural, you can get someone else to follow along behind you as you're walking, or follow your actor behind while they're walking to get the sound effect of the feet. So we're going to do that right now. And he can stay in one position and follow you with the boom, or he can walk along with you. And he's going to follow me with it. So, starting now. So the reason it's more natural, wait, should I stand back here? So the reason it's more natural to get him following me with the boom instead of just walking in place is you get the scrape from your shoes as well, the natural sound, instead of just like the tapping if you were just walking in place. Yeah. All right, guys, so next we're gonna record the key sound. I'm gonna record it being pulled out of my pocket. You'll get a little bit of key rustle there, and then putting it into the ignition as well. So that's what we're gonna do right now. You can do this a couple times as well. So I'm gonna put it in my pocket here. Are you ready? All right. Let's do it again. So this one's gonna have a little more clinky clanky. All right. One more. Thank you guys for watching. This has been a Nebula Productions tutorial.